In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for Opay POS. So let's say you have been wondering, or you need a POS for your business and you don't know how to go about it. So the best thing you have to do is just to create an Opay business account. So inside this Opay business account, we're going to walk you through how we can actually apply for a POS with your Opay business account. So you don't have to go anywhere. You can actually apply from the comfort of your home. So all you just need to do, just click on the three line at the top left right here after you already created your Opay business account. And if you don't know how to create Opay business account, you can also watch the video at the top right. So it's gonna walk you through how to create Opay business account. So the next thing you're gonna do, just click on this three line at the top left. Then you're gonna see a page just like this. So all you just have to do, just scroll all the way down. Then you're gonna see POS store. So you can see apply for Opay POS. So just click on that. Then it's gonna load this page just like this. So for Opay mini POS, it actually costs 10,000 naira and you can buy inside the Opay app. You can see portable POS with high performance CPU. So the next one is Opay Smart POS, which costs 60,000 naira, which is Android POS with touch screen and printer. So touchable, fast and secure printer for 60,000 naira. Then the next one is analog POS with keyboards and strong battery, which cost 30,000 naira. And if you also scroll all the way, then see another one, which is Opay ePOS, just like a mobile device. You can see Android POS with touch screen, which also costs just 10,000 naira. Caution deposit, full price for this one, full price for this one, and full price for this one. Only this one is actually include caution deposit. I think they have not really launched the POS. So if you are going for this Opay mini POS, just click on buy. Then it's gonna take you straight down to this page right here where you see all the details about the POS. You can see all the POS. This is details about the POS. So once you are okay, just click on buy. Then we're gonna tell you the price for this POS. Then if you already have money inside your POS account or inside your Opay business account, so just click on confirm. You can also select quantity. If you want more than just one, you can also you can see the quantity is changing, so this will increase the price of the POS. So this is how you can buy Opay POS inside the Opay business account.